Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd share with you a bit of a different video. It is still a clean with me video. I just wanted to take you through my morning cleaning routine or morning home blessing. If you're not familiar with morning home blessing, it is through Fly Lady, and I had kind of followed Fly Lady for a while, and then I had kind of found what worked for me is combining Fly Lady as well as the Bowl Full of Lemons card system, and I kind of made my own. But what I'd like to do in the morning is dedicate about half an hour to an hour depending on the state of my house, and just do a cleaning routine. And this starts off, so I get up in the morning, usually between 4:30 and 4:45. I do my workout. Then we typically take the dogs out for a walk, anywhere from 20 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on the temperature outside. And then I come home, have breakfast, and then I start my morning routine, my morning blessing routine. My routines have changed over years. When I had my older dog, who couldn't really go for walks, I did not take him for a walk, and I would do my morning routine right after my workout. But now it kind of starts probably around 8:15 to 8:30, and I give myself until 9:30. Sometimes I'm done earlier, sometimes it does take a little bit longer, but typically by 9:30 it is done. If you want to see my full morning routine, I do share it over on my vlogging channel, where I share my workouts and what I eat and all that stuff, but this is strictly for cleaning. So then I go upstairs and I start with a load of laundry. I do a load of laundry every single day. It is something that I have done for years, and it is a way for me to stay on top. Sometimes I don't have a load to do because I'm doing it every single day, and sometimes I'll have more than one load to do. So I try to catch up on Sundays for that. Depending on what it is, like right now I have some winter coats that I'm washing, which is typically not your everyday laundry things that you wash every single day, you know. And then there's the sheets, curtains, all those things add up and can kind of make me almost fall behind. But Sundays are usually my catch-up day for the laundry. But if it's a regular laundry week, I'm usually good to go every single day. Sometimes I'll have to skip because I don't have enough laundry. So once the laundry is done, I move on to my bedroom, and I will go around, and sometimes I'll do this before, if I know that there's some clothing on the floor or anything like that, and I'll do it before I start laundry. But if my floor is fairly clean, then I'll go after and just tidy up the bedroom, make the bed, go into the bathroom, do a little wipe down, and do swoosh the toilet type of thing. In the bedroom, at this time I also like to open up curtains and maybe open up windows if I can. Most of the time for month of January and February, they are frozen shut and I cannot open them. But if I can, I will, just for like 5-10 minutes, just to get some fresh air flowing in the room. And then I'll, like I said, make the bed, put away any laundry that needs to be put away, and then pick up any laundry off the floor and anything else. And what I've started doing a couple times a week is running a vacuum because of the dogs. One of them sleeps in our ensuite, so in its shedding season, there's quite a bit of hair all over the floor, so I will run the vacuum as well. So before, I used to do kids' washroom every single day. Sometimes I'll go in and I'll tidy it up and wipe it down, but I have been encouraging them to do that themselves because they are older teenagers and they really should be doing this themselves. I also will run the vacuum in the hallway. I'm kind of all over the place here. So once the upstairs is done, I will move on to downstairs, and I will tidy up the kitchen from breakfast. If there's anything that needs to be tidied, I will usually empty the dishwasher if needs to be emptied at this time, and just put the new dishes in, wash any coffee mugs or anything that can go in the dishwasher, wipe the counter down, wipe the table. And I have been lately starting my Roomba in the morning instead of at night. So I might start that depending on what the floor is looking. If not, then I'll just wait and do it in the evening. And this is a way that I can make sure that my house is tidied in case if somebody pops over. I will go around and pick up stuff too, like put away shoes, put away jackets if need be, fluff up the pillows in a family room, whatnot. And that way, like I said, it just stays somewhat decently looking if somebody were to pop by. With having 2 dogs, there's hair all the time. It's like having toddlers. They'll throw their toys all over the place. There's bones everywhere half the time. So just, going around, pick that up. And that way, if I'll go around and pick up everything in the afternoon too, around 4 o'clock. And that way it somewhat contains the mess and keeps it clean. And then when it is time to do my deep cleaning, I'm not going around picking up everything. I can just focus on deep cleaning. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. I hope you found it motivational, inspirational. Maybe it helped you in some way. I encourage you to check out the Fly Lady as well as Bowl Full of Lemon. Bowl Full of Lemon is on Instagram, and the Fly Lady is I think there's a blog, and then there's the YouTube as well. And I will leave a link down below to my blog post, how I set up my cleaning system and my routines. So maybe this can be something that helps you out. I encourage you to set up your own, but there's nothing wrong with having some guides to help you out and in directing you in the right direction so you can set up your own. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to know what my weekly routines are or my evening routines. I have all those in place. And I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're stopping by for the very first time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.